have to say, you know, when it comes to rally cars, when it comes to really any sort of competitive motor cars in Australia, you don't look much further than the Holdens, do you? There's a massive passion for Holdens out here. This one's a bit special. Tell me about it.
It's been a rally car all its life. UX-1 Torana, built for competition in Australia, and numerous owners. It was built as a rally car and still is.
It's in beautiful condition. I mean, it's obviously something that you're quite passionate about.
We've just done a 2.5 year restoration on it, and then we drove it around Australia as part of an event. So it's done 17,000 Ks since last August.
What event was that? Tell me about that event.
There was a dozen UX-1 Toranas, did a lap of Australia to celebrate 50 years since Peter Brock won Bathurst in an UX-1 Torana. So we just did that as an event because we could.
And these cars now, I mean, you know, as I say, Holdens have always been popular, but rally cars in general, historic rally cars these days, are more desirable than maybe they've ever been. So you get that grief, I'm sure, off your partner, whoever, saying you're putting lots of money, lots of time into this car. It's worth every single penny you've spent on it.
My partner is behind me on this project. She loves the car.
The perfect lady.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's have a little look. I'm really interested in how this. I love these cars. I'm obviously from the UK, and historic rallying in the UK doesn't stretch much beyond Mark 1, Mark 2 escorts. You know, we certainly don't see cars like this, and we certainly don't see the Japanese cars. But there's something massively appealing about the aesthetics of this car as well.
Yeah, absolutely. They're just
lovely lines.
They're a winner just standing still.
Yeah,
they really are.
Now, tell me about this handle on the back of the car as well, because I was caught out by this at the Alpine Rally. There is and these.
This is what you do when you get bogged. The navigator stands on here and tries to get it out of a bog.
That is just fantastic, and I have to say that's beautifully polished as well. Someone's worked really hard on the chrome work here. Beautiful car. Horsepower of this car, roughly, what would it be?
200.
That's enough for this size car as well, I would think.
Yeah, goes good.
Are you taking it out today?
No, I'm not. It's too new since the resto. Soon.
Well, listen, thank you very much for bringing it, and thank you very much for putting all the time into it, because you know these cars are to be enjoyed for many generations to come, I'm sure.
I will still use it. Thank you.
Good man, Rod. Lovely. Thank you very much.